Moko kuom jotend kanise onyiso piny owacho mondo kaw okang' mar neno ni achije mituro gi nek kaachiel gi ndhiyo joma mine pachoka omaki kendo chwal e doho. Kotelnegi kod jagoro maduong' mar kanisa mar Federation of Evangelical and Indigenous Christian Churches of Kenya, Bishop David Dagana, okwayo piny owacho mondo obedi ong'ala manyime mar rito ngima oganda jo Kenya ka gidwaro ni jatend piny William Ruto mondo olosi e wi midhiero mokwako piny Kenya ahinya to wi medruok mag nek mag jok ma mine pachoka.
As a church, we stand for life, and we believe strongly that God gives life, and nobody has the power to take away the life that is God-given. We therefore want to speak on defense of every human life in this country and ask the people who are charged with the responsibilities of protecting the lives of the Kenyan people to do their work properly and protect the Kenyans from the killers. We do believe that the government has got the right machinery and the full force of the law to track down those killers and to prevent that from happening, because prevention is even better than cure.
Tunahuzunika sana kusikia kwamba kuna watu wengi wanatekwa nyara bila kujua, wanachukuliwa na wanapotea na baadaye wanapatikana wakiwa wamekufa. Kwa hivyo kama kanisa tunauliza serikali ya kwamba ichukue hiyo nafasi waweze kusimamisha haya mambo.